It's Mini Monday and I have an adorable mini that I am so excited to open. This is a mini baby. I can't wait to see what's in here. I gotta put my glasses on when we're looking at babies and minis. All right, are you ready? Let's do it. Can't get that zipper to zip. I hate it when that happens. There we go. We've got 1, 2, 3 little treasures. Tiniest, most adorable birth certificate you've ever seen. How cute is that? And then your little pamphlet showing you what you got, which I'm not gonna look at because I wanna be surprised. I'll save the baby for last. This looks like a bed of some kind. It is disassembled, so you have to put it together. Oh, it looks like probably a changing table. It has a little instruction sheet, handy dandy. And a little picture. Let's see if I can figure this out. This was super easy to assemble. You can put the bar on either side. There's a little area in there. You just have to squeeze it pretty hard. So maybe if a child was doing this, they couldn't assemble it by themselves, but if it's an adult, this should be no problem. And aren't these made for adults? Yeah, I think they are. This is a little piece that comes off and off, just off and on. It just slides right down in there. And then the softest blanket ever. Look at this adorable little swaddler. Super soft, got a little piece of Velcro in there. And then we've got the tiniest little bottle of lotion or soap. Baby Magic, go right there. And little baby powder or baby lotion. And I accidentally ran out of filming, but I opened this adorable sweet baby. Look at how cute it is. This is my second little baby. My other one did not come from an egg, but once I had that first one, I was like, I must have more. And then I discovered these little mini babies, and now I just want them all. This adorable little hair, its little cute back. It's a very soft, adorable baby. Let's swaddle it. It doesn't come with a diaper, it doesn't appear. You're just gonna have a naked baby in this swaddle. And you're gonna be cleaning up a mess in about 10 minutes. That's fine, we love babies anyway. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And then never leave a baby unattended on a changing table. Yeah, that's everything. If you've opened one of these, I would love to hear how yours went. Very, very cute. Probably one of my favorite eggs that I've unboxed. I've also got a dollhouse I'm about to start assembling, so subscribe if you want to see that. I'm going to be putting that baby right in that dollhouse. Let's make something beautiful.